Welcome back to the channel. The weather's starting to change now. Every time the weather changes, man, my sinuses get all fucked up. But I did pick up a new part that I've been needing for the V. If you don't have this on your V, you gotta do it. Makes it look so much better. So I actually went with the iBeck Pro lowering spring kit. They're still like new. They should lower the car pretty damn good. Only thing I'm worried about is how close they're gonna sit to the radial, but shouldn't have any problems there. I do plan on throwing the stocks back on since it's about to start getting cold out. I usually don't like rolling on these type of wheels whenever it's cooler out. We're gonna try to install these things and get it lowered today. Let's see. So this is stock height. This is the gap. Back here we got like a pinch. It's gonna get even smaller. Definitely went down. Now we're at about 2 when we had a whole fist before, and now we're at 2 in the front. In the rear, I think I gotta drive it a little bit, but we're still about the same here. The old springs, got them out. Can't do the copyright, man. But it's fairly easy. It's like 3 bolts up front. As you see, the new springs are in there. It's like 3 bolts up front, 3 bolts in the back. Easy swap.
Think you take the front down half a four?
Yeah, it'd be perfect.
Yeah, I think you take it down half a four. It'll be fine. So
back.
I think ride it or something like that.
You see if it go down some more.
If it don't, cut it half off. The back is fine.
The back went down pretty good. You only got like a finger in there now. Alright guys, just came out of Summit, but I did get some brand new...
I missed that. Could you say it again, please?
Siri, I'm not talking to you. God damn it. Anyways, I did get some new BTR header gaskets, because on the driver's side it started to spring like a small leak on the header gasket, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace them with some BTR header gaskets. I'll probably catch you guys back at the shop. I had to make another quick stop at Summit since we're changing that 160 thermo. I ended up getting another quart or gallon of coolant, and then picked up these bad boys. Picked up some ARP header bolts. The OEM header bolts, when they're older, they like to break or either loosen up, so with some ARPs, these should be great. I recommend you changing your header bolts if you do a header swap, so you don't run into issues like I'm running into now, where my bolts are either coming loose or the little gaskets starting to, you know, go bad. So don't use those cosmetic gaskets. Make sure you use multi-layered gaskets. Got the Z28 all cleaned up. Supposed to be headed out to a car meet together. I already got the header gasket changed. Now we just got to worry about the thermostat. That's it. Should be good then. Yeah, these are the bad ones to use, but
Especially that back one.
Yeah, right here, burning through.
That's original header gaskets, man. I always have that problem.
So this is what is this made out of?
But every header gasket has that.
So then we got these better ones, much better.
Yeah.
Yeah, besides garbage.
Yeah, that I guess whenever you kind of torque them once with the heat cycles and everything, you see that thickness, it kind of reduces.
Yeah.
And this one, I mean, it's metal.
It stays like that, yeah. Cool it, cool it, cool it. Alright, so we got everything installed. We got all the cars out. Boy Charlie. Got the GoPro, got the iPhone, whatever you need. Shit.
You check to see if you got it.
All right, guys, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Crazy night last night. There's a guy basically at one of the car meets. He had a black CTSB also, and he was just saying that he was gonna pretty much gap everybody. And the outcome is he got gapped by everybody. I beat him. The white V beat him. The Camaro beat him. The Mustang beat him. Because we all came in as a group, as you can see. But it was a crazy night. With the Fox body, what happened with that is basically his throttle body got stuck, and his nitro sprayed as his throttle body got stuck. So the car just was going and he couldn't stop. So he basically slammed on the brakes. His front 2 tires blew. He tried to pull over to the side of the road and ran into a ditch. Everybody's safe. No car wrecks happened. Nothing like that. It's just a car malfunction. So everybody's good. He's gonna have the car back on the road. It's November. We got Texas Street Car Takeover, something like that. So just stay tuned. Probably get an update on his car, but I appreciate y'all tuning in. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned. Come back, man. I appreciate all the new subscribers, all the subscribers that stay commenting, liking the videos. Keeps me motivated, man. Appreciate y'all. Hopefully one of these days I can meet up with y'all and link up or something, man.